Yes, dog. So the thing set up. Waterhouse, rise, guns and boy get wet up. Pussy no fi pre-me. Water, stingers. Yo, attack. Yo, Soko. We got guns and bombs and grenade. Clutch back 45 and SKs. Ice brick, cutlass or a trick blade. We nah lose. Alright now, bag a chat when you touch me hands. Enemy a friends are friends. Some sell out in farm to feds. We nah lose. Alright. Bonfire can me gun them no retire. Me just in a me gun but me praise the Messiah. And if you violate the thugs them not go itchy fire. Big up the flanker man them not go zed and not get tire. Why you say higher? But them bad but them a liar. Step out and do your thing get your youth scar we no tire. Shot pierce up was cold power just like a flyer. Pussy life just run out of expire. Yeah, we got guns and bombs and grenade. Clutch back 45 and SKs. Ice brick cutlass or a chick blade. We nah lose. Alright now, bag a chat when you touch me hands. Enemy a friends are friends. Some sell out in farm to feds. We nah lose. What am I pre? Cause some boy I wanna be. And all a who a fish tell them go chuck off in the sea. Cause when the warrior start the pussy them about fi queen. Alliance skill fi free, but more time we charge a fee. Watch it, stop your dressing pussy work and you a bed. Me box it on before you box the food out of me plate. Straight, me a tell you come in I go hesitate. Stone crack like buckle in a crate. We got guns and bombs and grenade. Clutch back 45 and SKs. Ice brick cutlass or a chick blade. We nah lose. Alright now, bag a chat when you touch me hands. Enemy a friends are friends. Some sell out in farm to feds. We nah lose. Yes, dog. No, Soko. Yeah. Bonfire can me gun them no retire. Me just in a me gun but me praise the Messiah. And if you violate the thugs them not go itchy fire. Big up the flanker man them not go zed and not can tire. Yeah, why you say higher? But them bad but them a liar. Step out and do your thing get your youth scar we no tire. Shot pierce up was cold power just like a flyer. Pussy life just run out of expire. Yeah, we got guns and bombs and